ax square plus bx plus c, where abc is belonging to the real numbers, has no real zeros. No real zero means it is not having the real roots. It is having the non-real roots. And if a plus b plus c is strictly less than 0, then c is strictly positive. Is this true or false? This we need to check. So this is the given polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Let this polynomial be equal to fx. So let fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Right. Now since this fx has no real zeros, that is, it is not having the real roots. That is, the graph of the polynomial does not touch the x-axis. Either it is above the x-axis or it can be below the x-axis. So either fx is strictly positive or fx is strictly negative for all x belonging to the real numbers. Let's take the value of x to be 1 from the real numbers. And let me check whether f of 1 is strictly negative or positive. So let's take any one x from the real numbers. Let x is equal to 1, for which what is f of x? It is f of 1, that is equal to a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c, that is equal to a plus b plus c. And this sum is given to us is negative. That means f of 1 is negative, which means further implies that f of x is negative for all x belonging to the real numbers, because either fx can be negative, strictly negative, or it can be strictly positive. For all x belonging to the real numbers, this will happen for all x belonging to the real numbers. Alright. Now if fx is negative for every x belonging to the real numbers, let's take one more real number to be as 0, because I need to check whether c is positive or not. So let's go for x equal to 0. So for x equal to 0, I am getting f of 0 to be equal to, from here, it is a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. That is, I am getting c. Now because I know that fx is negative for every value of x belonging to the real numbers, that means f of 0 is negative, as f of x is negative for all x belonging to the real numbers. So f of 0 should also be negative. And what is f of 0? It is c. So c is negative. But what they are saying, that c is strictly positive. That means this is false. Thank you.